For musicians, to athletes, to movies, to celebrities, companies, events, even schools and nonprofits, they are all taking advantage of the iPhone and Android platforms to connect with customers and fans in a whole new way. Take this band from LA, for instance. They just launched this brand new app, and already they're selling new tracks, creating a buzz for the next tour, and keeping their fans up to date. Immediately, your updates go live on the iPhone and Android devices. With your custom app, not only are you connected with the fans, but fans are connected with each other, sending your viral message even to a broader audience. And this is just a taste of what your custom app can do. Contact us today for a free consultation.